What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, boo, and I am back. How y'all doing? How y'all been, y'all? It seemed like it's been a long time, huh? Girl, I know. Today, guys, we have April's Allure Beauty Box, and I'm always excited to unbox this. We're gonna catch up a little bit and, just kind of, shoot the shit, whatever. So, if you guys want to see what's in April's Allure Beauty Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your mental health is doing. Okay, guys, welcome, welcome. Your girl is back. I am feeling a little better. Y'all, let me tell you, anxiety and depression is so real. And being a nurse and being on the front line, it has really tested my strength, my faith. It has tested so many parts of me that I cannot even explain. But thankfully, I am able to get up, go to work, and help to heal people. I really love being a nurse. I really, really do. And I love being able to help people when I can. It is a trying time, and I do appreciate all of the prayers, all of the well wishes that you guys send to me. I know I've been missing in action, guys, but I will try to be back on our schedule. I just appreciate you guys being so supportive. Thank you all so much, because it's really a trying time for me, guys. Today, y'all, we have limeade vodka cocktail. I'm feeling fancy today, girl. Yes, with some little grapes in it. So we're gonna chill out, we're gonna drink, we're gonna dance, we're gonna catch up, all while unboxing Allure. So let's get on into it, boo. Oh, let's take a dance break and a drink break first. Hey, cheers, my loves. Before we get started, however, I want to give a big, huge shout out to all of my bomb ass subscriber squad. I love you guys dearly. Y'all are the most amazing, positive, supportive bunch anyone could ask for, and I appreciate each and every one of you dearly. Y'all have been a vital part of helping me to get through my day-to-day. I am off a lot next month, so we will be doing more videos, a little bit more get ready with me, and I could do a little bit more talking and letting you guys know what's going on in my life. But today, girls and boys, we're gonna be doing Allure. So without further ado, boo, let's go on and get into the specs and unbox it. Yeah. For you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. I get my box through Amazon. I know a lot of people always ask me that, and I get mine off of Amazon. I'll put both links down below so you guys can click it and check it out. I think when you subscribe for the first time, it's only $10 for that month. You get roughly 5 to 6 or 7 sample size, deluxe to full size products each month, which they've been doing really good with the full-size products, y'all. Really good. So, yeah, let's stop the talking and let's get on into the unboxing. That's what y'all here for, right? Yeah. I'm taking another dance break and a drink break. Ooh, ooh. So it comes in this white little box like this. Mine is dirty because I have some makeup on it. Each month we get this little pamphlet here that tells us everything that's in our box. First up, I am seeing from Sulphur. This is a Derma Green Solution. It is Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart. I don't know, y'all. This is what the package looks like. The container looks like this. Let me look in my book to see what this is. So it says that this is Dr. Jart and Cedar Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. And this cream is meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. Wow. The namesake ingredient, tiger grass, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In the jar, the cream looks like a mossy clay, and this green wonder neutralizes all the issues. So this is, I'm going to say, a sample size, and the full size for this one is $52. Ooh, $52. Okay, let's see what it look like. And I'm telling y'all know the nail salons have been closed, so my nails are looking a hot mess. Okay, so don't even say nothing. Ooh, it is minty. So when we open it up, That's what it looks like, a nice light green clay. And I am gonna take a little bit of a swatch and see. It smells medicated. That's how it looks on my hand. We're gonna rub it in. Oh, I think I may have used too much. Ooh, okay, well, that's how it rubbed in. It does have sunscreen, so that might be why it's giving me this white cast, but we're gonna try it out and see. And it's $52 for the full size one of these, guys. So up next, I am seeing this Lou by Jean Sayo Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. And this is what the bottle looks like right here, guys. And in here you get 1 fluid ounce of product. And this is a, let's see what it says, skincare. So it says, apply a thin layer after cleansing, use morning and night, discontinue if a rash or redness occurs. So yes, you get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. And just a little bit on here, it says made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate. This gel-like serum is perfect for her oily skin, and y'all know that I do have combo oily skin. And this retails for $15, guys, and I think this is the full size, because on the little packet here, they have 1 ounce here. So I think this is the full size, $15. Let me know if you guys have heard of this brand or used it, because I haven't. Or maybe I did, I don't know. Let me know, guys. Up next, we have, what is this? Flower Bomb, Victor and Roof. Let me see, what is this? This is the Best of Beauty Allure Award winner. And this is Victor and Roof Flower Bomb Perfume. And, oh girl, this retails for $115 for 1.7 ounces. Wow. But this had 0.24 ounces in it. So let's see what it looks like. This is what the outside packaging looks like right here, guys. And let's open it up. Oh, the bottle is so cute. Look at that, guys. That is so pretty. Let's sniff it. I really don't know how I feel about getting perfumes. Oh, it's not a spray top? No. Oh, it smells so like florally, like roses, and I don't know, it smells expensive. Oh yeah, I like it. It's not strong, it's nice and subtle. It has like a woodsy type smell, but I do like this. And you do get a nice amount in this bottle. This bottle is full. I think it's a spray. No, okay. Maybe not. This bottle is full, and I mean, I'm going to get some good use out of this. And I told you guys, it's $115 for 1.7 fluid ounces of this product. Next up, guys, we have Main Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 Primer. So this is a detangling, frizz-fighting heat protectant here. Ooh, girl. This is what the bottle looks like right here, guys. And in here you get 1 fluid ounce of product. And let's see what it says, if anything. This retails for $12 for the full size. This is not the full size, guys. And it's just like heat protectant and frizz control. So they're cruelty-free, GMO-free, and 100% vegan. And it says it delivered 10 benefits in 1 miracle potion. It detangles, reduces frizz, straightens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine. It nourishes, smooth, and protects against thermal and UV damage. So, okay, cool. This is Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Hair Primer. There you go. Next up, we have from Allure. I got a lip balm from this brand before, and I really enjoyed it. This is, oh, it's a toner. Wow, we never get toners in subscriptions. This one is organic, clean, and cruelty-free. And let's see what it says on here. I'm gonna just read the box real quick. It says this fine, non-sticky toner of rose and orange blossom sets gently into skin to provide hydration. Balance enables greater absorption of nutrients by lowering skin's tension. It's suitable for all skin types. Shake well before use. Pour the toner into your hand and gently pat after cleansing and before face oils. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, guys. And we get 1 fluid ounce of product. Oh, wow. This is a big deluxe size, isn't it? Cool. And it's full to the top. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells like orange. Oh, it smells like oranges. This is how the little pour thing looks. The pour. I don't know. And let's see what this retails for, guys. The full size, you get 2.4 ounces, and this is 1 fluid ounce, guys, only. So for the full size, it would be $55 for 2.4 ounces. And this is a balancing toner, which I will definitely use. I love toners. Love them. Up next, we have from Pur Lisse. And this is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask. It's moisturizing and rejuvenating, and it's for all skin types here. You just want to leave it on your face 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Y'all know I do like sheet mask now. When I get off sometimes, I'll do like a nice facial on myself, lay in bed with a sheet mask on while I'm watching TV or editing videos, whatever. So I'm happy to get this, and I love this brand anyway because we always used to get this in Ipsy. And this one, guys, for a pack of 6, retails for $36. Ooh, so they must be $6 a piece for one mask. Okay. And last up, guys, we have, from Thrive Cosmetics, which I do love this brand. Their mascara is amazing. This is the lip filler, long wearing and plumping lip liner, and this retails for $20. I have the shade Khaki Mocha, which I like a mocha. So the packaging is gorgeous, as y'all can see. Pull out the pencil. Oh, it's very cute. Look at that, guys. And let's see what mocha. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. Let's swatch it. This would be beautiful with a nice nude lip. I hope you guys can see it. It's right there. It glides on very nice, very pretty. I love the color. It's definitely a perfect nude. I could just probably wear this all over my lips. So yes, and this retails for $20, guys. Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? I do. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Eva NYC this 10-in-1 hair primer, from Lou by Jean Seo, this calming face serum, from Akar, this balanced toner, from Dr. Jart, this color correcting treatment, from Thrive Cosmetics, this lip liner here, from Roger and Roger and Rolf, this Flower Bomb perfume, and from Pur Lisse, this skin mask here. So that's 7 products for this month. Final thoughts, I love the box. That's all I'm gonna say. They gave us skincare, hair care, lip liners, perfume. Normally I would be like, this is a damn dud, but no, I do like the balance that they're giving us. This time, I love the fact that I got this lip liner. I haven't used Thrive Cosmetics lip liners yet, but their mascara is gorgeous and the color is pretty. I love the way the perfume smells. I always love getting toners. So I'm gonna say that this box is pretty good for me for the month of April. This made me smile, actually. So yeah, guys, that's what I think. I think it's pretty decent. If I had to rate this box on 1 being this box is a damn dud, throw it to the fire. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? For April's Allure Beauty box, TonyaNicole, boo, is going to give it a solid 4 for the month of April. I enjoyed the products. I think I will get good use out of all of the products. Even the sample size had a lot of product inside, so we can get multiple uses, which I do like. So yes, guys, that's all I have for today. If you have not done so already, please consider subscribing to your girl. Give this video a big thumbs up, my loves. If you enjoyed it, make sure you let me know how your mental health is doing. I know times are hard, but you know, we could talk it out, chit chat it up in the comments below. Y'all know I love talking with you guys. Wish all of you guys safety. Make sure you please practice social distancing, wash your hands, cough into your elbows. Do what you have to do to keep yourself and your family safe and healthy. Very hopeful that things will take a turn and we'll be back to somewhat of a normal life. So until next time and next video, my loves, you guys stay blessed. Stay healthy. I will see you all in the comments and on Monday's video. Bye, guys.